it's true that we have a lot. Currently, we have 41 offsite service centers for the PRC. These offsite service centers were established to address the steady increase in the transactions of the PRC, and of course to para ilapit po yung serbisyo ng PRC doon sa underserved communities po ng Philippines, especially since we are an archipelago and there are a lot of islands po talaga na hindi napupuntahan ng PRC dahil currently we only have 16 regional offices. We have, for the past years, we have received a lot of proposals for the establishment of off-site service centers. Thus, the PRC issued two issuances in order for us to have a guidance kung saan po kami mag-establish ng off-site service centers. So currently, we have a revised operational protocol for PRC off-site service centers, and we also have a policy framework for evaluating proposals or requests for the establishment of off-site service centers. So even though kahit po wala pang law, for example, for the establishment of a PRC off-site service centers, we have in the PRC a national planning framework para po makita kung saan talaga ang yung priority naming pag-establish ng off-site service centers given the limited manpower and resources of the PRC.